Hi, hello and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daily. And on today's episode, you've guessed it, I have the t-shirt on, we're going back at the golf. We got a huge response to the last couple of videos, comments, likes, shares blew up. So today, I did a poll, actually yesterday or the day before, I did a poll on YouTube to see which video should be next, me cleaning it out or me starting it. So, we're going to be starting it. Now, fingers crossed, we'll get it to fire today. I can't see any reasons why it shouldn't, unless it's locked solid. I haven't tried, so I'll bring you along with me. We'll throw a bar on it and see what happens. Right, the easiest place to plonk is here. So what we're going to do is we're going to whip off the air filter. We're going to whip off the fuel line because we don't want the old fuel coming in. We're going to whip out the plugs, just put a bit of oil down it. I'm going to jack up this engine and just level it off a bit, and we're going to put a bar on the engine to see if it'll turn. So what I'll do is I'm going to shut up and I'm going to put this in a bit of a time lapse when I'm doing that, because nobody needs to see me dismantling an air filter or anything like that. It's handy enough to do. So without further ado, we'll get stuck in. Look at that. I reckon this car had a full service before I come off the road, because CD boots are new. The brake, even though they're rubbish now, but the brake pads and all were brand new, and the air filter looks brand new as well. Looks like we have these 3 bolts here, or 3 nuts here to take that off. So I'm going to have to apologise if I don't have to go get tools for that. Move. A bit better. Let's look at this tiny bit. Believe it or not, I don't know if you can see it. It's quite clean. It's supple. Should be able to do a fire with that. I'm just gonna stick a socket on this now. See if I can get it to turn. No. Right, I'll whip out the plugs and I'll open a while down. Hopefully that'll free them off. Oh, I never checked to see that it's silicon in reverse. Okay, that helped. Okay, I didn't film it. Reason being is you don't need to see me trying to struggle to pull HD leads off. But I'm after whipping a plug out. I don't know if that'll focus. But there's a lot of green on that. Now, I've never seen green on a spark plug before. So I'm hoping it's probably an aluminium head, I'd say, and it's just reacting with it. So we'll whip out the other three and we'll have a look. It's number 2. Again, I don't know why it won't focus on it. But, as you can see there, it's pretty, it's clean enough. There's a bit of green on the end of it. So we'll check the next one then and see. Now we have number 3. There's a lot of dirt on that. An awful lot of dirt. I'm hoping the cylinders aren't full of dirt. Let's whip out number 4 then and we'll see. Just had to take it in here with the 4th spark plug. I say we're going to have quite a bit of fun taking this one out. See it? It literally just disintegrated when I took the HD lead off it. I have a feeling this engine's a giant boat anchor. No. There's that mysterious crap again. I don't know what it is. That plug actually looks the healthiest out of the 3. Or out of the 4, so I don't know. So what we're going to do is I'm just off camera again, or I'll just leave it lapse. I'm just going to put some oil down the bores and I'll put a battery on it then and I'll see if I can crack it with the start motor. Now I think the start motor seized as well, but we'll see. Right, some oil down the bores there. Just after a couple of minutes, I'm just going to change over the battery here because that battery's the naff that's on it. And as one of the viewers pointed out as well, the orientation of the battery wrong. Now I thought I did was when I tried to put the bonnet stay down with this battery and it wouldn't go down, so he said it runs this way. Yes, it does. It fits in an awful lot better. So I'm just going to try and turn it now and see if it'll kick on the starting motor. And you'll know because you'll see that fly. can hear the relay clicking all right for the starter, but we've got no joy from it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cross the solenoid on the back of the starter. So I'm guessing it's going to be different to the starter motor is. Any were screaming at me now going, it's in such and such a place, I can't see it. It either has to be there or there, it's not there. Hang on, it's hiding. Trying to find the 2 leads. I have one of them. So I'll send it across. Now, I just had a thought, and I've had this before once, that the engine's not actually seized, it's actually the alternator seized. So what I might do is I might just cut that belt off and see, because when I'm rocking this, you can see that the camshaft is actually turning a little bit with it. So I think the alternator could be seized. Time to go get more tools. Right, let us see. Okay, it's not the alternator. Alternator's turning freely. Right, I just had to flip the timing cover off. Oh, I don't know what this stuff is. But it's safe to say that water pump has let go. So I don't know again if the water pump is seized or the engine is seized, but I put a fair bit of pressure on that bar and there's no sign of anything turning, so I wonder is it RAP engine. Right, I just said I'd whip off the rocker cover just to see if it's valves right bundled up and starter stuff. Shit. Okay. That is an absolutely spotless top half. Sorry about the shakiness taking these off, but that is a very, 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 very clean engine. I think shop categories. What do you think, Socks? Apart from all the dirt I'm after putting on it. We'll get that off now in a second, but I cannot get over how clean that is when you're considering how bad that looks. So the next plan of action is what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean that off. I'm going to put the rocker cover back on and I'm going to fill the bores with diesel and leave it a week or so. So apologies if the next video out in this is me cleaning out the inside of it and getting rid of all this crap, because after I put in the diesel, that's exactly what I'm going to do.